His dog, he never barks, but watch out when he barks.
Oh, okay. Burp.
Excuse me?
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yeah!
Excuse me?
In fact, I've never heard Burp bark at all.
Excuse me? Oh, excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
That was very, loud.
Excuse me?
Exactly. Yeah, you're very cute, little dog. But I like watchdogs. I like how they bark and they act tough and scary and protect the house.
Excuse me?
No, I'm afraid that's not very scary.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
But he really is a ferocious dog! Nearly scared me silly before!
Excuse me?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Nice, Gerald. How about you, Burp? Wow, I didn't know you could sing or, well, burp like that. Burp. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Well, excuse me, little doggy. You win!
Excuse me? Excuse me, dude!
Excuse me?
It's a really, really high sound that only dogs can hear, like this.
Excuse me.
I don't...
Regard. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to do some more work on this invention. Excuse.
I'll get you some more.
Excuse me. Good thing we found him with your sounds, Gerald.
Or even make any loud sounds.
Excuse me, feed me, walk me.
Wow, that's amazing.
Excuse me, feed me, walk me.
Yes, incredible! Now we know when Burp wants to eat and go for a walk.
Excuse me, feed me, walk me.
All the time.
Excuse me, but no way. Get this thing off my head right now. Excuse me.
Then they brought in a dog, and on cue, the dog burped.
Excuse me? Just found a new soloist for our group. Ready? Excuse me. 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 Excuse me.
Burp was the name of the dog that they shared. He burped all the time, but nobody cared.
Dog.
King and the Queen. Is
All for one and one for all.
Huh?
Sorry, Dog Tenyo.
Excusez-moi.
Friend d'Artagnan, the fourth musketeer.
She looks great.
Excuse me.
Did our snow woman just burp?
I think so.
Excuse me.
It's not a snow woman.
It's a snow burp.
Excuse me.
Bow wow wow wow! Bow wow wow wow!
Our chair squeals like a pig.
Green light, anyone? Excuse me?
Friend in the whole world.